Student, today we are start with problem number 4 to 9, pair of straight line 12 standard. Okay, the important point for this is homogeneous equation in x and y of degree 2 is, what is the equation for this? Is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. The coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x into y is 2h, and coefficient of y square is b. Now the auxiliary equation for this line is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0, where m is the slope of the line. m1 plus m2 is equal to, the sum of the slope of the line is given by minus 2h upon b. The product of the slopes of the line is given by a upon b. Slope is also find out by when the angle is given, slope is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to tan theta. This slope can be when the angle is given, when the angle is greater than 90 degree, you can convert it by tan is equal to 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, you know this in 11th standard, you are already studied this one. The seventh important note is, when you have to find out the difference of this slope, you can apply the formula m1 to the whole square is equal to m1 plus m2 minus 4 m1 m2, because here m1 plus m2 is the sum, m1 plus m2 the whole square minus 4 m1 m2. What is the m1 m2? This can be find out by using this formula. Okay, now we are going to solve the first problem of question number 4, in which sum of the slope of the line is represented by this is twice the product. Means the condition is given, sum is equal to twice the product. So first you have to find the sum and product of the given. Compare this equation with the homogeneous equation. What is the value of a is 1. What is the value of 2h is equal to k, and b is equal to minus 3. Okay, now I can find out m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, means minus k upon minus 3. This minus will get cancelled, I will get k upon 3. Okay, now I will find out the product m1 into m2. Condition given in the problem, by condition sum is equal to, okay, twice of product. Okay, now I will substitute the value here. Now what I will get, k upon 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 3, and this is multiplied by 2. Okay, now this 3 will get cancelled with this, means what is the value of k is equal to minus 2. This is the required answer for the given problem. Means if you know the formula, the problem are very easy. Okay, now we are going to solve the second problem, represented by slope of the line are represented by of this equation are differ by 4, means m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. This condition is given. From this equation I can find out value of m1 m plus m2 and m1 into m2 and m1 plus m2. Okay, sum and product. Okay, what is my value? A is equal to 3, 2h is equal to k, and b is equal to minus 1. Now I can substitute the value in the formula. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. Okay, what is the value of is minus k upon minus 1, that is equal to k, the first condition. Okay, now m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. A upon b, 3 upon minus 1. Okay, now what will come here? Minus 3 will come here. Now what is the condition is given? m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. Now you know the formula. What is the formula? m1 minus m2 the whole square, but you can write down here but is equal to m1 plus m2 the whole square minus 4 m1 m2. Now I can substitute the value here. 4 square. Okay, 4 square is equal to k square minus 4 into minus 3. Okay, now what is the value of this? Is 16 k square plus 12. Now by transferring the term, 16 minus 12 is equal to k square. Okay, what I will get? 4 is equal to k square. Now taking the square root, this can be written as plus minus 2. This is the required value for the given problem. Okay, you understand this problem? Now we are going to the third problem. If the slope of one line given by this equation exceeds the slope of the other line by 8, means m1 minus m2 is equal to 8. Now I can write down m1 is equal to 8 plus m2. Okay, you can solve this and assign this as a. Now you can find out the sum and product from this equation. Kx square plus 4xy minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, now what I will do here, a is equal to k, 2h is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1. Now I can find out m1 plus m2 is equal to, okay, now what will come here? Minus 2h upon b. What is the value of this? Is minus 4 upon minus 1, that is equal to 4. Now the product is m1 into m2 is equal to, what I will get here? A upon b. Okay, what is the value of a? Is k. Okay, now what will come here? b is minus 1, means the product is minus k. Okay, now I can substitute the value here and forms a quadratic equation. Okay, now m2 is equal to m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 and m1 minus m2, okay, is equal to kya? What is the value of this? Is given 8. By elimination method I can solve this easily. So I will get 2m1 is equal to 12. Okay, now m1 will be 6. I got the value of m1. By substituting this value here in equation 1, I can find out 6 plus m2 is equal to 4. Okay, now what is my m2? m2 is 4 minus 6, means m2 is equal to minus 2. Now this value can be substituted here. So what will come here? 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus k. Now my value will come to be k is equal to 12. For this is the required answer for the given. We are going to solve the question number 5. The first question, find condition align 4x plus 5y coincide with one of the line whose equation is given as ax square plus 2hx square plus by square is equal to 0. Now for this I can write down 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay, now what is the slope of this line? Slope is equal to minus a. Slope is equal to minus a upon b, that is minus 4 upon 5. Okay, now what is the auxiliary equation of this? Already told you. What is the auxiliary equation? bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Okay, now I can substitute the value of m here. Now b into minus 4 by 5, the 2h into minus 4 by 5 plus a is equal to 0. Okay, now simplify this one. What will come here? b into 16 upon 25 minus 8h upon 5 plus a is equal to 0. Okay, now what will come here? What is the LCM of this? Is 25. So I will multiply whole equation by this. So what I will get, 16b minus 8 5 40h plus 25a is equal to 0. This is the required condition for the given problem. Okay, 25a minus 40h plus 16b is equal to 0. Another problem you can solve by applying this method. Only perpendicular is given, means you have to change the sign of this slope and then substitute the value in the same equation. Okay, now we are going to solve the second equation, question number 8, in which the slope of one line, okay, is 4 times the other. Show that. This is very important question. Now I am going to solve. Okay, what is given here? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now, what is a here? What is m1 plus m2? You know the formula, already told you, minus 2h upon b. Okay, m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. Okay, now what I will do, the slope of one line is 4 times the another, means what is the condition is given, m1 is equal to 4 times of m2. This condition is given. Now I can substitute this in first equation. What I will get, m1 I can substitute as 4m2 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. Okay, now what will come here, 5m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b. If I substitute the value of m in second equation, what I will get, now m1 is 4m2 into m2 is equal to a upon b. Okay, now what will come here, 4 m2 square is equal to a upon b. Now I can substitute this value from this equation. m2 is equal to minus 2h upon 5b. Okay, this value I can substitute here. So what I will get, 4 into minus 2h upon 5b, the whole square is equal to a upon b. What I will get, 4 into 4h square upon 25b square is equal to a upon b. Now I can cancel this b with this. So what I will get, 16h square, and transferring this term here is equal to 25ab. This is the required answer for the given equation. Okay. Problem number 9. If one of the line given by this equation bisect the angle between the coordinate axes, so that a plus b the whole square is equal to 4x square. Means what is the auxiliary equation of this is bm square. Okay, you know 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Bisect the coordinate axis means theta is equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. Okay, now I can find out the slope of this. Y is equal to tan theta is the slope. Okay, what is the value of y is equal to tan 45. I already told you y is equal to tan 45 is 1, therefore slope is 1. Okay, now what is the value of second? For y is equal to tan 135. Okay, is greater than 90 degrees, so I will convert this as tan. What will come here? 180 minus 45. Can I write down like this? So what will come here? Minus tan 45. Okay, so y is equal to minus 1. This is my second slope. Okay, This is also value of m. This is also value of n. Okay. Now I will substitute these two values in the equation number 1. What I will get? First I will substitute 1. So equation 1. In equation 1, m is equal to 1. Okay. The equation will becomes to be b plus 2h. M is 1, okay, plus a is equal to, what will come here? Is 0 will come here. Now for minus 1 value, what will come here? Again b plus, what is the value of m is minus 1, therefore this will come to be minus 2h plus, okay. What will come here is equal to a is equal to 0. Now a plus b is equal to, now I want to show this is 4h square. So this can be written as a plus b is equal to, now I am transferring 2h to that side. So what I will get is a plus b the whole square is equal to 4h square. Okay, this is for the second equation. Now for the first equation, I can write down this as a plus b is equal to minus 2h. Okay, can I write down like this? Now by squaring, what I will get? A plus b the whole square is equal to 4h square. Means you will get the answer for first equation also. Okay, you understand this one? You must know the formula of this tan theta, tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. This is important concept, and you must know the auxiliary equation for this given homogeneous equation.